Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Crypto by K Square. So today we're going to talk about WeatherX peer-to-peer matching engine. The points that I'll be discussing and explaining are what is peer-to-peer matching engine and how it is the best, how buy and sell works on WeatherX and why it is the fastest, what are the key points of WeatherX peer-to-peer matching engine, and finally how to trade live example of peer-to-peer trading on WeatherX. Let's begin. Buy and sell Bitcoin instantly with your bank account. Peer to peer simply means that a person can buy from another person a cryptocurrency directly. On WeatherX, it has special features like it has zero fees, 100% safe, and it's the world's first auto matching peer to peer engine. So, how does it work? For buyers, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, WeatherX peer to peer helps you to convert your money to crypto instantly, where WeatherX acts as an escrow for safekeeping of the transaction. The step one is the buyer places an order. You'll be auto matched with a seller instantly. Then you pay directly to seller. The seller will confirm your payment. Third step is WeatherX releases the escrowed USDT. It makes WeatherX peer-to-peer a safe and fast method to convert fiat to crypto. What about sellers? How does seller works? Selling your crypto for money works. So WeatherX peer-to-peer helps you to convert your crypto to money instantly, where WeatherX acts as an escrow for safekeeping of the transaction. So step one is the seller places an order. You will be auto matched with a buyer instantly. Confirm receiving the payment. WeatherX will transfer the USDT to the buyers online only after you acknowledge receiving payment. The third step is done by WeatherX. Releases the escrowed USDT. It makes WeatherX peer-to-peer a safe and fast method to convert crypto to fiat. So, WeatherX also has a live market chart. The peer-to-peer matching engine has a live market chart where you can see the market depth, the order volume, and match history. Benefits of WeatherX, as I already told you, it's faster, instant auto matching. If you have an XID for high volume traders, if you have an XID ID, it's a kind of ID where you can directly match your trade with a friend. It's cheaper as there's no transaction fees. It's simpler and instant, like not like in seconds, but it's done really very fast. Stats. So the main thing about the what makes WeatherX peer-to-peer matching engine the number one is their stats. So they have done peer-to-peer trades so far of about $18 million, more than $18 million. 2,500 plus five-star reviews on App Store and I guess Play Store. Zero fraud cases till now. That's the main point. Volume of trade is more than $60 million. That's also a good point. Like these all statistics tells that WeatherX peer-to-peer matching engine is the best, and I guess this is the reason why Binance acquired WeatherX. It maximum takes 19.4 minutes to complete a trade. Approximately, if there are some issues, it could take some time, like 1 hour or a bit more. And 70,000 people have installed the app so far. So you can understand in such a small time how WeatherX has grown. So let's come to the main point. I'll show you how to make a peer-to-peer trade. And one more thing I like to tell you that WeatherX only gives you the peer-to-peer marketing option for USDT because it's a stable coin and there's no fluctuation. So it's very easy to help people to get on board on the exchanges and buy other cryptocurrencies with those USDT. So let's see. So as you can see, there's an order book in the peer-to-peer market section of the WeatherX. You'll see a market depth order volume on the left hand side, match histories, how many orders have matched at a what price. You can see that here. These are the XID order books, like people who are using XID orders to match. I have no open orders right now. Completed orders I have. This is a new account, so there might be few completed orders. I was just testing the platform. So as you can see, pay directly to the seller's bank account. Seller confirms payment. WeatherX releases locked USDT to your account. This is the sell option, buy option button here. As I told you, the XID will go here. Like if you want to buy from some friend, you can use his XID. You put it here. The peer-to-peer engine will match you with his trade. As you can see, I have a peer-to-peer trade of Kunal 15. So I guess let's move on to place the order. Suppose I want to buy 20,000 rupees worth of USDT. So I'll type 20,000. That would get me 271. I would like to shift the price to somewhere around 50 or 45. Not make much difference, but yeah, it's okay. 50 would do. So, and I'll click the place buy order button. As you can see, there's a pop notification that order placed successfully. And I'm waiting to get matched with a direct seller or something. Okay, that's the seller. They're matching me with a seller. As you can see, they have said that we will email you when your order is matched. Buy order for 272.10 USDT at price of 73.50. Okay, so I'll come back to you when my order is matched.
So guys, as you can see, I've got three matching orders. Because when there's a big order, they split the orders into multiple orders with multiple sellers. So I paid to three people. The first one was 8.72, that is 642.557 rupees. The second one was for 106 USDT, which was for around 7,812.20 paise. And the third one was a big amount, it was 156.65 USDT, uh, for which I transferred to the seller 11,545.10 paise. So that's it, I got all the funds in my account and I already have some orders placed. Like you can see, the total portfolio has went up to 23,421. I have placed an order also for Ethereum, as you can see here. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe.